Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Schlage Encode Smart Lock, a Wi-Fi-enabled keyless entry system that promises convenience and security. I'll walk you through the setup process, real-world usage, and whether or not this smart lock lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, the Schlage Encode feels solid and well-built, which is reassuring when you're investing in home security. It comes in a few different finishes to match different aesthetics, but the real question is whether it delivers on performance. The installation is fairly straightforward for those comfortable with DIY projects, but if you're not used to handling door hardware, it might take a bit longer than expected. Unlike some other smart locks, this one doesn't require a separate hub. It connects directly to your Wi-Fi, which is a huge plus for simplicity. Once installed, the next step is setting up the Schlage Home app. The app is functional but not the most polished. You can lock and unlock your door remotely, create access codes for family or guests, and monitor lock activity. The ability to integrate with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant is a great feature, but the response time isn't always instant. Sometimes there's a slight delay, which can be frustrating if you're in a hurry. Security-wise, the Encode features built-in alarm technology that can detect potential break-in attempts, and the lock itself is BHMA Grade 1 certified, meaning it meets high industry standards for security. One of my biggest concerns with any smart lock is reliability. You don't want to be locked out of your home because of a software glitch or connectivity issue. In my testing, the Encode performed well most of the time, but there were instances where the app was slow to respond or failed to connect, requiring a manual lock/unlock using the keypad or physical key. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Battery life is another important factor to consider. Schlage claims that the Encode's batteries last about 6 months to a year, depending on usage. However, heavy users who frequently lock and unlock the door via the app may find that the battery drains faster. The lock does provide low battery notifications, which is helpful, but having a backup physical key is always a good idea. Comparing it to competitors, the Schlage Encode holds up well against other smart locks like the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock and the Yale Assure Lock. The built-in Wi-Fi is a major advantage, as some competitors require an additional hub for remote access. However, some users may find the Encode's app interface less intuitive compared to others. Overall, the Schlage Encode is a solid option if you're looking for a reliable, high-security smart lock without the need for extra hubs. It's great for homeowners who want keyless convenience and remote access, but it's not perfect. The app could use some improvement, and occasional connectivity issues might be frustrating for some users. If you can deal with these minor drawbacks, it's definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've used the Schlage Encode and what your experience has been like.